I am so sad to realize that many patients don't seek help for their snoring because they are embarrassed by it. But tell me, if you had a broken leg and you were limping, would you be embarrassed to seek treatment for your disease? Snoring is just yet another sign of a significant underlying disease called sleep-disordered breathing, or in its worst stages, sleep apnea. It is a partial obstruction of your airway, and actually it is a good sign that helps you or your partner recognize that something is really off with your breathing. Sleep apnea as a disease creates cardiovascular as well as neurocognitive outcomes on your brain, besides affecting your daily quality of life with brain fog and inattention. I urge you to please reach out to either a sleep-focused ENT or to a sleep-focused dentist to start this journey of treatment of your sleep-disordered breathing. It could be something as simple as a CPAP or a sleep apnea appliance from a well-trained dentist, and you may add adjuncts like lifestyle, movement, diet, myofunctional therapy, possibly even a tongue-tie release, all helping towards the treatment of this disease. I urge you to reach out and get the help that you deserve.